Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best solar security camera on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the IMU Cell 3C solar security camera, covering its power, clarity, and smart features. Let's get started.
Product features.
Built-in solar power system. The integrated 2.2W solar panel powers the camera using sunlight. Just 2 hours of daily sun can keep it running continuously, reducing charging hassle and making it eco-friendly. Long-lasting battery backup. With a powerful 5,000 mAh battery, the camera can operate up to 120 days on a single charge, ensuring stable protection even during cloudy days or low sunlight. Crisp 2K QHD video quality. Enjoy sharp and detailed 2K QHD resolution that captures faces, movements, and objects clearly, helping you monitor your home with confidence and precision. Smart full-color night vision. Advanced night vision delivers clear, colorful footage even in low light, so your home stays protected day and night without missing important details. IP66 weatherproof design. Built for outdoor use, the IP66 rating ensures reliable performance in rain, heat, dust, or harsh weather, making it perfect for year-round security. USB-C fast charging support. When solar power isn't enough, the USB-C fast charging option allows quick recharging, giving you flexible power options whenever needed. Alexa and App Smart Control. Works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and the IMOU Life app, letting you check live feeds, battery status, and adjust settings easily from anywhere. Pros. The IMU Cell 3C offers true wireless freedom, solar charging convenience, sharp 2K video, strong battery life, smart app control, and durable outdoor performance. Cons. It requires sunlight for optimal solar charging, and some advanced features may need app setup, which could take a few minutes for new users. Final thoughts. If you want a reliable, low-maintenance, and eco-friendly security camera, the IMO Cell 3C solar security camera is an excellent choice. It combines smart technology with long-lasting power to protect your home effortlessly.
Want smarter security without constant charging? Check the price link in the description and grab yours today. Like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome tech videos.